Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm excited about today's demo. We're going to do a little video on Adam Grant, expert advisor. There's tons of these tools in foundersaienablement.com. If you go to foundersaienablement.com/expert advisor, each week you'll get access to a new one of these tools for no charge. So let's talk about Adam Grant. This particular tool is intended to help you transform your organizational culture and leadership approaches with innovative strategies for fostering creativity, collaboration, and resilience in the workplace. So let's use the tool. Of course, if we're using it, we're going to go into ChatGPT. You do need to have the expert version or the upgraded version because we are using GPT. So I'm going to move my little Jackie head up here so I can see all y'all and also my loom. So I like this, like what would Adam Grant do? So first, he's going to help us apply Adam Grant's timeless advice to whatever you're working on right now. Let's get started. As always, the button, right? So first, as a coach inspired by Adam Grant's insights, I'm here to help you navigate challenges using his principles. Tell me what you're currently working on and where you might need guidance. Remember, the more context, the better. So right now, I am working on a LinkedIn lead generation project from my connections, and I am struggling with how to reach out to warm contacts while still providing them value and not seeming salesy. Let's see. Or the inability to spell. All right. Let's see what we get from that. All right. Sounds like you're working on a delicate balance of providing value to your connections and leveraging them for lead gen. To better understand the obstacle, could you tell me what you feel your biggest challenge is now? Crafting messages that provide genuine value, identifying the right contacts, or ensuring follow-ups are effective. I'm going to say it really is about messages that are valuable without a sales pitch. Got it. Crafting these messages. Strike the balance between the two is my main concern. To dive a little deeper, can you share more about the nature of the value you're trying to provide? Select the best option. Sharing industry insights or content that might be useful. Offering personalized advice or solutions. Highlighting opportunities for collaboration. I'm going to go with sharing content that might be useful. Because otherwise, why do you reach out to people, right? All right, focus on sharing insights or content might be useful to your contacts is solid. Now narrow it down. How do you usually determine what kind of content will be most valuable? All right. Analyze their recent activity or posts to understand their interests, looking at their job role and industry to infer challenges, asking mutual connections for insights. I'm going to go with probably analyzing activity, seeing what their interests are. All right. Smarter personalized approach. Lastly, do you envision the ideal outcome of your initial message? Would you like them to do or feel after? Recognize and value, leading to a natural conversation. They're intrigued and ask more. Share your content with their network. Actually, I really just want them to feel valued, that they got good information, open the conversation, and see what things happen. All right, understanding your ideal outcome is for your contacts to feel valued. Sparking natural conversation. Here's some strategies by Adam Grant. One, give and take. Start with sharing and then without expecting anything in return. And his give and take emphasis the power of becoming a giver in professional relationships. So I love this, right? So this is directly from something Adam Grant would do from one of his books. Here's another option. Craft highlight novel insights. This is from originals. Think again, invite them to explore new ideas. So I love this. So let's look at give and take, because that's a little bit more within alignment of the way I like to show up in the world, and see what we get. So solution, what would I do? Focus on crafting messages emphasizing value based on the principle of being a giver, ideas to share insights, and why adopting a giver mentality can help build stronger and more trusting relationships. All right, now, do we want to build a playbook? Do you want to plan for this focusing on an upcoming event like a campaign or a more general strategy? I'm going to go general strategy. Wow, let's spell right though. Over the coming month. See what we get there. This has like a longer time frame. Oh, cool. So it's breaking it down week by week. Week 1, preparing and planning. 2, initial outreach. 3, deepening those connections. 4, evaluate and adjust. So if you're looking for some expert advice, and one of those happens to be lead generation or something of that nature, I think this looks like a great what would you do opportunity with Adam Grant. Hopefully you find this useful. And if you would like more tools or access to more tools like these free, just go to founders.aienablement.com, expert advisor. Once a week, you get a new tool on access to a new tool and some interesting insights on how you can do more in your business faster. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. Bye.